You're welcome. Kaya Mijina a Toyota Camry 2005 model. The problem no a pull system and employee bad pull. Utiaswa na I maintain what me ako speed cra 80. We say intimi enkobium. Intino eba be check at the cra hano. Ti say back you want plug up OBD. Okay, first of all, no, maybe me ignition na. Sound on your bad. Sound on your bad. Instead of say, and can say to me, baby, drew danger. Na and one rejecting. We do happen. Not a stop. It means there is something wrong. Something is wrong. And to know about me OBD. It's like. To scan. Okay, read code, yeah, stored code. 8-4 code, trouble code, yeah. Back here, O2 sensor, oxygen sensor, yeah. Another oxygen sensor. Now we have massive flow sensor. Another massive flow sensor. Intake air temperature sensor 1 circuit. Then see engine coolant temperature sensor. Evaporative emission system. Transmission range sensor A circuit. Okay, and you know I say no maybe clear na my hair the best back. And you know if I be clear fault code no na I heard the Becca I don't need the big naso. I check it photo. So now my clear circle back to read no fault code permit no fault code. Okay, and you know in this case you know okra ni say sometimes ebesamba sometimes emma and you know me sure pa say massive flow sensor no and a behave sir. Those engine switch engine temperature sensor and oxygen sensor ni we no there E2 yeah me disconnect na me sa connect but massive flow sensor ni there me disconnect yeah so I know na I record aka ho no I will replace new and see and you know see ano mesa ewura machine mu bi no see ano fault code 2 and the other fault code 2 na koye oxygen sensor yeah and na ba koye intake air temperature sensor A circuit high, so it means massive flow sensor no it need to be replaced there say yeah for bona I'm sure say massive flow sensor no na behave sana. Okay, into here the massive flow sensor no for replacing new and you know you see clear it back. Erase no be na ma hu say ma he say we san ba. Okay. I'll go back to read code. Now no fourth code. Okay. Okay, into your sound no. Say the best sound well. Wow. Wow. Now the sound is complete. I won't say first no not sound no. Uti aso edru number 4 ha. But you see I replace a new massive flow sensor no. See I be drew danger. You understand? You see? Yeah. So now my problem have been solved. Thank you for watching this video. LB Automobile, we give knowledge. I have 4. But that's the same video. So here say when you age. Na me kai will say, aha, ye chere kan ho ade e automobile. Ye di dosuko ema wo hwe video ya. Ye hwe video ni wie no. Na wanya obi bia na me srew say subscribe wo subscribe ina na wo share afi adoma na wo ho na wo hu no fa won samposo adofo na wa yini nyina me damase say ma hwe video LB Automobile, we give knowledge.